I just made my favorite of all time Etsy listing and I had to share it with you. This is to create any custom art. Design your own shirt, design your own invitation, design your own living room portrait. It's whatever you want. Here's Marilyn Monroe. I mean, these are absolutely gorgeous. Here are some Greek goddesses, okay? I mean, these are beautiful. And you can hang it on your wall. You can get it on a mug. You can get it on shirts. You can get it on anything you want. The listing is for the work that I'm going to do to design your project and the high resolution, super high quality PNG file that you can use to then have print on anything. I can help you get it printed on anything if you want, but the listing is for the file. This one's pretty funny. I can make fan club shirts for you. I can make pit crew shirts for you. I can do whatever design you want. So when you're looking for a design and you can't find it anywhere, you can't find anyone that has that listing, find me. I can do it.